of the promise later on in Genesis 22 is that one sentence, in your seed, all the nations will be blessed. In your seed. Paul specifically points out in Galatians 3:16 that the word seed is singular, okay? Listen to what Paul says in Galatians 3:16. Now to Abraham and his seed were the promises made. He does not say, and to seeds, as of many, but as of one, and to your seed, who is Christ. And I can't just let that point pass because it's a wonderful testimony about the inspiration of Scripture. Think about this. The Apostle Paul, as he read Genesis, paid attention to the grammar and the fact that it's a singular and not a plural. What does that say about the inspiration of the Bible? That one little difference there. In your seed or your seeds, all the nations will be blessed. Paul understood that the singular there is packed with theological truth. There's one seed he has in mind. There's one descendant that's more special than the rest of them. And so for Paul, that singular versus plural makes all the difference in the world. Christ is that seed, singular. Jesus himself is the fulfillment of this promise that was made to Abraham. This had so much more to do with a bigger picture of redemption than just one area, one people at one time. God said, what I'm going to do through you, Abraham, is just going to blow up and bless the world. It's going to go out to all peoples. Jesus is that seed, and it's the same seed that's promised in Genesis chapter 3, right? The seed of the woman that will crush the serpent's head.